You ever wonder which antivirus actually pulls its weight in 2025? Norton AV or Panda AV? I've been looking into both, so stick around because by the time we're done, you'll have a clear idea of which one is the better fit for you. And if you decide to check either of them out after watching, you can get Norton AV with up to $30 off or Panda AV with up to 60% off. Just click the links below or scan the QR code on screen. Let's kick things off with Norton AV, because it's one of those names that's been around so long. It's almost impossible not to know. It's been protecting millions of people for decades, so you already get that sense of reliability right out of the gate. But what matters is how it actually holds up in 2025. First, let's talk about the speed. This thing runs scans like it's late for an appointment. You're not sitting there watching a progress bar crawl across the screen. The scans finish quickly. They run quietly in the background, and you can keep doing what you're doing without your computer feeling like it's dragging its feet. And their interface is surprisingly simple for how much it's packing inside. No complicated maze of menus, no tech terms that make you feel like you need a glossary just to tweak a setting. Everything's laid out clearly. So if you want to change something, you can do it without wondering if you've accidentally broken your own security. It's the kind of software you can set up once and then just check on occasionally. Norton's Firewall works quickly in the background, blocking anything suspicious from trying to slip into your network. And if you're a parent, you'll probably appreciate the built-in parental controls. You can keep tabs on what the kids are doing online without installing extra apps or tools. On top of that, Norton throws in identity theft protection, which feels more and more necessary these days. It's like having a security guard for your personal info, making sure it doesn't end up somewhere it shouldn't. I also tested out their support just to see how responsive they'd be, and instead of being stuck with endless automated replies, I actually got through to a person who knew what they were talking about. They answered my questions without me wasting half my day waiting for help. Now, if we're being picky, there are a couple of small things worth noting. The notifications can be a little jumpy, sometimes popping up more often than you like, and after your first year, the price does go up, so you'll want to keep an eye on renewal deals. But these aren't deal breakers, in my opinion. Overall, Norton is a solid pick, and you can grab up to $30 off if you want to give it a try. Next, we have Panda AV, and this one is pretty different from Norton AV. If Norton is like that dependable security guard, Panda is more like a tech-savvy multitasker that's quietly looking out for you all the time. The real-time protection is the first thing I noticed. It's always on, always updating, and you never have to poke it to remind it what to do. It just works in the background while you go about your day. But the built-in VPN is what really makes Panda stand out. If you're ever connected to public Wi-Fi at an airport, coffee shop, or just a hotel, you know that's not always the safest move. Panda just bakes VPN protection right into the antivirus, so you're secure from the moment you connect. Just keep in mind the built-in VPN on lower tier plans comes with a daily data limit. So for unlimited use, you'd need the premium plan. But no extra subscription, no extra software, it's all part of the package. Another big plus is that with one Panda AV subscription, you can cover your laptop, phone, tablet, basically anything you use regularly. No juggling separate plans. The interface is modern, clean, and refreshingly simple, so you can open it, check what you need, and get on with your day. And then there's the Rescue Kit. This is the kind of feature you hope you never need, but if you do, you're gonna be glad it's there. If something nasty gets through and really messes things up, the Rescue Kit can help clean your device and get it running again without losing your important files. It's like having an emergency repair kit built right into your antivirus. Of course, Panda's not perfect either. The free version is a bit too basic to rely on full time. So if you're serious about protection, you'll want to go for one of the paid plans. And while the top tier plan can get pricey when you factor in the VPN, the multi-device coverage, and the strong protection it delivers, it still feels like a solid value. Just note that Panda has a slightly higher false positive rate than some competitors, so you may see it flag save files now and then. If you decide to check it out, you can grab it for up to 60% off. So which one's actually better? The truth is they're both strong choices. It's just about what matters most to you. If you want something that's fast, easy to use, and comes with extras like identity theft protection and parental controls, Norton's hard to beat. But if you want a VPN included, solid multi-device coverage, and reliable real-time protection without much effort on your part, Panda's a great pick. Both will keep you safe, both have their own perks, and both have deals running right now. Norton with up to $30 off and Panda with up to 60% off. Just click the links below or scan the QR codes on screen. And before you head out, which one do you think is better in 2025? Drop your thoughts in the comments below.